Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to find the payment. It's also called periodic deposit for annuity to achieve the financial goal or to get the future value. Let's read the question. Yaroslava wants to save in order to buy a car in 3 years. Okay, without taking out a loan, she determined that she will need 35,500 for the purchase. So this what she need after 3 years. So this is called future value. Okay, if she deposit money into the ordinary unity that yields 4.25% interest compounded monthly. In other words, she want to deposit every month. That means 12 times a year. Okay, so first question is how much she will need to deposit each month. That means we're looking for periodic deposit. And next question, how much money she will have to put in the account. So that's the next question about how much her total deposit going to be in 3 years. That's what I'm looking for. And next question is how much interest will she have on. I'm looking for interest as well. So here a couple of things here. 3 years is the time and 35,500 is the future value. That's what she, okay, it's future value. We call FB. Log is n equals to 12. So there is two ways to do it. One way we use a formula. Another way we use time value of money solver equals TVM solver. I'm going to use that to solve this question. Okay, so here uppercase n is always, remember that we did in last question, is lowercase n times t. That's the formula for uppercase n. So where's the lowercase n? Lowercase n is 12 because 12 times a year. Time is 3 years. So 12 times 3 going to be here, but we didn't write 12 times 3. We write 12 times 3 as a 36 in this box as a uppercase n. So interest rate I here, I% is interest rate here is 4.25. We type 4.25 here. That not the decimal, okay? Has to be everything here as a interest rate. This PV is present value. We're not worried about this PV, so we leave it blank here in these questions. So PMT is monthly payment we want here because that's the question I asks how much she need to deposit each month. That's the monthly payment, also called periodic deposit in this question. So future value is that's what she want. So future value is 35,500 is future value. So that's the FV. Again, we need to solve for PMT. Later we're going to do that. So next is payment per year, which is 12 because this is compounded monthly is 12 times a year. This is 12. So then we put 12, this is going to be automatic 12. This is 12 as well. So we put every information in this TVM solver calculator. So we do now solve here for PMT. That's what we're going to do in this question. I click the solve. Okay, we get this number $926.3248, but for the PMT we always round it up to the nearest cent, round it up, not the regular rounding. So this is gonna be 33 cents. So PMT gonna be $926.33. Okay, so that's the answer for the question number 1. So next question is how much money will she have to put in the account? That means you got to find the total deposit. So to find the total deposit, there's the formula. Again, we had it in the previous question as well. So PMT times n times t equals to total deposit. So you multiply PMT with the n is 12, t is 3, get 33,347.88. That's the total deposit. Okay, so that's the question number 2. Find the total deposit. That means how much money she will have to put in the account. She need to put this much, $33,347.88 in the account. Okay, next question is part 3. How much interest she will have on. So again, there is a formula for the interest. The interest on going to be future value minus total deposit. So future value going to be here 35,500 minus total deposit going to be 33,000. 347 we just found in question number 2, and you subtract that, that's the difference going to be the interest. So interest is going to be $2,152.12. Okay, thank you for watching.